This is a complete electric house wiring connection diagram in which these are a component which we require for wiring.
So we connect phase wire coming from electric pole to its first terminal and a neutral wire coming from electric pole to its second terminal. Third terminal outgoing neutral wire with any one bottom terminal of 2-pole MCB and fourth terminal outgoing phase wire with other bottom terminal of 2-pole MCB. Then we connect neutral outgoing of MCB with first incoming of RCB and phase outgoing of MCB with second incoming terminal of RCCB. First neutral outgoing of RCCB with bus bar and second phase outgoing of RCCB with all bottom incoming terminal of single pole MCBs. Connect outgoing phase of first MCB to the bottom terminal of all switches in room 1. Then we connect.
So for the complete and detailed video, please click the link in pinned comment or description.